Your parents just told you they're moving in with you. Not because they want to, because they have to. Dad worked for 35 years at the same company. Mom was a teacher for 28 years. They both have pensions and Social Security, and they still can't afford to live independently in retirement. You always assumed your parents had it figured out. They owned a house, took vacations, seemed financially stable. Now you're realizing they were one medical emergency away from financial collapse the entire time. And the terrifying part is that you're on the exact same path they were on, except you won't even have the pension they had. Here's the problem with retirement planning in America. Research from the Employee Benefit Research Institute shows that 64% of Americans have no idea how much money they actually need to retire, and 73% are on track to run out of money within 15 years of retiring. Most people are heading toward retirement with less than half of what they'll actually need. And by the end of this video, you'll know the exact number you need based on real data and what you can do if you're already behind. My name is Don, and I create educational content about investing, personal finance, and building wealth. If you've ever wondered whether you're actually on track for retirement or secretly terrified that you're falling dangerously behind, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I'm going to show you the real retirement numbers based on research, not the comfortable lies financial institutions tell you. The number nobody wants to hear. Research from retirement planning studies analyzing safe withdrawal rates and life expectancy data shows that most Americans need between 10 to 12 times their final annual salary saved by retirement age to maintain their pre-retirement lifestyle. If you're making $75,000 in your final working year, you need $750,000 to $900,000 minimum. If you're making $100,000, you need $1 million to $1.2 million. Studies from Fidelity Tracking Retirement Outcomes show that people retiring with less than 8 times their final salary face significant lifestyle reduction within the first decade of retirement. Data from the Federal Reserve's Survey of Consumer Finances shows that the median retirement savings for Americans aged 55 to 64 is just $185,000. Research tracking actual retirement account balances shows that among people who actually have retirement accounts, the median balance for near retirees is $278,000. Studies from the National Institute on Retirement Security show that 77% of Americans are failing to meet even the minimum retirement savings benchmarks for their age. Why the 4% rule changes everything. Research from financial planning studies shows that retirees can safely withdraw 4% of their retirement portfolio, annually adjusted for inflation with minimal risk of running out of money over a 30-year retirement. This 4% rule is the foundation of every retirement calculation. If you need $60,000 annually to live in retirement, and Social Security provides $24,000, you need your retirement savings to provide the remaining $36,000. Data shows that using the 4% safe withdrawal rate, you need $900,000 in retirement savings to generate $36,000 annually. Studies tracking actual retiree spending show that expenses drop by only 20 to 25% in early retirement, not the 40 to 50% that most pre-retirees assume. Research reveals that healthcare costs consume 15% of retirement budgets and increase every year. Travel and leisure spending actually increases in the first decade of retirement, and housing costs don't disappear even with paid-off mortgages. Studies prove that the "I'll just live on less" retirement plan fails because people can't accurately predict what less actually means after 40 years of lifestyle habits. The Social Security reality. Research from the Social Security Administration shows that Social Security replaces approximately 40% of pre-retirement income for median earners. Data proves that Social Security was never designed to be a complete retirement solution. Studies tracking Social Security's financial health show that unless Congress acts, benefits will automatically reduce by 23% in 2034 when the trust fund is depleted. Data from SSA Statistics reveals that the average monthly Social Security benefit is $1,907, which equals $22,884 annually. If a couple needs $80,000 annually to maintain their lifestyle and receives $38,400 from Social Security, they have a $41,600 annual gap that must come from savings. Research using the 4% withdrawal rule shows they need $1,040,000 in retirement savings to safely generate that $41,600 annually. Data from the Federal Reserve shows that the median couple approaching retirement has combined retirement savings of $340,000, leaving them $700,000 short of what they need. The age-based benchmarks, nobody hits. Research from Fidelity analyzing retirement readiness shows specific age-based targets. By age 30, you should have 1 times your annual salary saved. Studies from the Federal Reserve show that only 42% of Americans in their late 20s hit this target. By age 40, data shows you should have 3 times your annual salary saved, but just 31% of Americans achieve this. By age 50, studies show you should have 6 times your annual salary saved, but only 23% reach this level. By age 60, research shows you need 8 times your annual salary saved, yet fewer than 19% of Americans approaching retirement have reached this target. By age 67, data shows you should have 10 to 12 times your final salary saved. Research tracking retirement outcomes proves that people who retire with less than this amount face one of 3 outcomes. They work longer than planned, they reduce their lifestyle significantly, or they run out of money in their 70s or 80s and become financially dependent. Why employer matches aren't enough. Research from Vanguard, analyzing millions of 401k accounts, shows that the median employee contribution rate is 6.2% of salary, and the median employer match is 3.5%, combining for a total savings rate of 9.7%. Studies calculating retirement projections show that a 9.7% savings rate produces approximately 7.8 times final salary by age 65, which falls short of the 10 to 12 times needed. Data shows that 67% of employees contribute exactly enough to get the full employer match and then stop, believing they've done enough for retirement. Studies prove this assumption is catastrophically wrong. Someone earning $60,000 who contributes 6% and receives a 3% match will accumulate approximately $673,000 over 35 years at 7% returns. Research using the 4% rule shows this generates $26,920 in annual retirement income, which combined with average Social Security of $22,884 provides $49,804 total, a 17% reduction from their $60,000 working income. Studies prove that adequate retirement savings requires 15% to 20% total contribution rates, including employer match. The compound interest missed opportunity. Research comparing 2 savers demonstrates the cost of starting late. Person A starts saving $300 monthly at age 25 and continues for 40 years, contributing a total of $144,000. At 7% average annual returns, this grows to $719,000. Person B waits until age 35 to start saving and must save $680 monthly for 30 years to reach the same amount, contributing a total of $244,800. Studies prove that person B must contribute 70% more total dollars to achieve the same result because they missed the first 10 years of compound growth. Data shows that a 35-year-old who pauses retirement contributions for just 2 years during a job change loses approximately $68,000 in retirement savings by age 65 due to the missed contributions and compound growth. Studies tracking multiple career interruptions show that people who stop contributing during 3 separate 2-year periods retire with 34% less than people with consistent contributions. The healthcare cost. Nobody includes. Research from Fidelity shows that a 65-year-old couple retiring in 2024 needs approximately $315,000 saved specifically for healthcare expenses throughout retirement, not including long-term care. Data proves that this is in addition to regular living expenses and the retirement savings needed to generate income for housing, food, and entertainment. Studies tracking Medicare out-of-pocket expenses show that the average 65-year-old pays $5,400 to $7,200 annually just for insurance premiums before paying any actual medical bills. Studies from the Kaiser Family Foundation show that 70% of Americans over age 65 will require some form of long-term care. And data reveals that the median cost of a nursing home is $108,000 annually. Research shows that Medicare does not cover long-term custodial care. Studies analyzing the financial impact show that people who need 3 years of nursing home care deplete an average of $324,000 from retirement savings. The real retirement most Americans face. Research from retiree surveys shows that 47% of retirees report being worried about their financial situation, 38% have cut back significantly on spending, and 27% have either returned to work or are looking for work. Data tracking actual spending patterns shows that retirees with inadequate savings reduce discretionary spending by 60% to 70%, which means eliminating most travel, entertainment, dining out, and hobbies. Research analyzing housing decisions shows that 22% of undersaved retirees sell their homes and move to lower-cost areas. 15% move in with adult children, and 8% live in RVs or mobile homes to reduce housing costs. Studies show that undersaved retirees report 43% higher rates of depression and anxiety compared to financially secure retirees. Research tracking health outcomes shows that financial stress in retirement correlates with accelerated cognitive decline, higher blood pressure, and increased risk of heart disease. Studies prove that retirement poverty isn't just about having less money. It's about worse health, increased isolation, and lower overall life satisfaction. Your action plan starting now. Here's what you should do this week. First, calculate your actual retirement number. Data shows you need 10 to 12 times your expected final annual salary. Studies show that having a specific numerical target instead of a vague goal to save more increases retirement savings rates by 34%. Second, determine where you should be right now. By age 30, you need 1 times salary. By 40, you need 3 times. By 50, you need 6 times. By 60, you need 8 times. And by 67, you need 10 times to 12 times. Research shows that people who know their specific gap create specific plans. Third, increase your contribution rate immediately, even by 1%. Data shows that someone earning $70,000 who increases their 401k contribution from 6% to 7% adds $67,000 to their retirement savings over 25 years. Studies prove that 1% increases are psychologically easy to implement and create measurable long-term impact. Fourth, set an annual automatic escalation. Data shows that people who activate automatic 1% to 2% annual increases build 40% more retirement wealth than people who never increase contribution rates. The retirement number most Americans will never hit is real, and research proves that 73% of working Americans are currently on track to miss it. Studies show this isn't because they're lazy, it's because they never calculated their actual number and never created specific systems to close the gap. You're not retiring someday in the distant future. You're building your retirement today with every paycheck you receive. Calculate your number today, compare it to where you should be, and close the gap through higher contributions. The retirement you get is the retirement you build, and it's being built right now.